In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Bitcoin to RedotPay so you can off-ramp and spend it in the real world. Now, if you need an account and a card on RedotPay, click the link in the description. It will really help out the channel. Okay, so to do this, you need RedotPay open and active, and you also need an external wallet or an exchange with your Bitcoin in. So as you can see, I've got $100 worth of Bitcoin in my Trust wallet. So what we're going to do is we're going to first open RedotPay, and we need to click on deposit in the top left-hand corner. Once you've done that, you can head over to the crypto section, and here you can find Bitcoin BTC. So let's click on that, and we'll then choose BTC on-chain deposit. So click on that. Now it's going to give you an address and a QR code. You want to go ahead and copy the address by clicking on the clipboard button next to it at the bottom. So now we've copied our Bitcoin address. You can see there is a minimum deposit. What we can do now is we can go into Trust Wallet. We can then click on send. Now this will differ depending on what wallet you're using and if you're using an exchange, but I'm going to click on Bitcoin, and we can then get to this window where we can paste in the address that we've just got from RedotPay. I'm going to choose the maximum amount of Bitcoin. However, this may not go through because there may be a fee which is slightly more, so I might have to bring this down maybe $1 or so, but we'll just try sending $100. Then we'll click next, and we'll confirm this transaction. So as you can see, there's a 10-cent fee, which is going to be the network fee for Bitcoin. And the total cost is going to be $100.38. As you can see, that is now processing. And if you click on transaction details, you'll be able to see it as well. And you can go ahead and refresh this, and it should go from pending to complete shortly. Now, if we go back to RedotPay, as you can see here, we have the deposit coming in. You can see that it is pending. It's an on-chain Bitcoin deposit. Now, once everything is all good with this and it has been confirmed on the blockchain, you will then see your balance update in RedotPay. So that is how you can do it. I hope that quick video did help you out. You'll then be able to spend it using your virtual or physical card.